guys, welcome to Facetone, and in this video I will be showing how to log in to Facetone through the agent console. So first of all, what you need to do is add your company. So you need to enter your company name because Facetone supports multiple number of companies under one tenant. So in this case I'll give my company name and the username. Password and click on sign in. So as you can see, this is the agent's home dashboard where he can see his productivity, and I will be explaining you how to initialize the phone and get an agent ready for a call in the next video. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.